man.
Do your best Alex Martinez impersonation.
I drive a Porsche. What's up, guys? No. That better not have been recording, otherwise I'm gonna get in trouble. No, okay. What's up, guys? I'm Dakota from Fitment Industries. Don't forget to subscribe and then check out how to win a free set of TSW wheels in a link in the description below. I'm here to talk about how to make the most out of your tax return.
It's like I'm wasting a lot of time, but you know what? It's cool. Dom's, you know, he's chill. He's not that big of a jerk.
What's up, dude?
Hey, what's up? Well, what's up, man?
What you doing?
Just looking at some wheels and tires, man. I just finished getting my tax return, you know. I'm about to
Oh,
go
yeah?
spend the check, yeah.
Yeah. You know what'd be super dope?
What's that?
If you were f***ing working.
Oh.
One of the first things you're gonna wanna do is set up a plan. You're gonna wanna decide if you wanna go for cosmetics first or performance. I like to go with bolt-ons first, then get a tune, and then go cosmetics. So we're talking like wheels, suspension. I prefer to get suspension before wheels, make sure they fit okay. First car that I had was a PT Cruiser. I was that typical kid, I went into AutoZone, I'd pick out something and I'd install on my car. I thought it would look good, but not having a plan really screwed up, and I ended up with a PT Cruiser with no back seats, 4 12-inch subs, green neon underglow, and a stick-on hood scoop. So it's not a bad idea to set up a plan, make sure you know what you're doing. Kind of have an image in your head of what you want your car to look like.
Yeah, so like I was saying, so I recently just got a brand new car, and it's sick. I can't wait to kind of really trick it out and stuff, but I don't have much of a plan, so I'm kind of just going off of like whatever the guy's telling me at the store.
Wait. What do you mean you don't have a plan? Like, how are you building a car if you have no plan?
I'm just going off of what the guy told me at the store. He's a pretty
But like,
smart guy.
it's a car build. It's not a grocery list. Like, you can't just walk up and down the auto store aisles and be like, I want one of these. I want a couple of these. Like, you're gonna come out with a big old rice box at the end if that's your quote unquote plan.
Huh. So yeah, so I need a plan. So in order to build a car, I need a plan. Is that what you're saying?
I would have a plan.
So
Big thing when it comes down to modifying cars is money, obviously. When I don't have extra cash or I didn't just get my tax refund, during the summer and winter and stuff like that, I like to just buy smaller parts for my car. So we're talking about shift knobs, an intake, a downpipe, maybe some small cosmetic things. I like to just make those smaller purchases because then I'm not absolutely slamming my bank account or racking up the credit card. But come tax time, that's when I like to ball out. That's when I save up, you know, I have that extra money and I can buy my coilovers, I can buy my bags, or I can get that set of wheels I've really been wanting. You want every detail to be perfect. You don't want to just be slammed on wheels. Why not have, you know, a nice shift knob, a nice shift boot, some interior mods, some cosmetic mods. I do those smaller mods, cheaper mods during the times when I don't have that surplus of cash.
yo, hey Mario.
Yo, what's up, man?
Yo, I've been thinking lately. I've been working pretty hard. I think you guys should give me a little bit more money.
Like a raise?
Yeah, a raise.
A raise?
Yeah.
We just gave you one. What do you need more money for?
Come on, man. I need some more money so I can buy wheels and tires.
Why don't you start with the small things first? You could buy a shift knob, you can buy a steering wheel, you can buy some headlights, and then use your tax return to ball out on some wheels.
Dang.
That's what I did.
I didn't think about that. So spend my own personal money on like the smaller stuff, and then on the big check, buy
Ball
some
out,
big
yeah.
expensive wheels.
That's what I would do.
Dang. Thank you.
Another thing to remember is you're not the only person getting their tax return. You're gonna want to order as soon as you can because it's not uncommon for wheel companies to, during this big influx of people buying their wheels, run out and become back ordered. Then you're stuck and car show season rolls up and you have no wheels on your ride because you're waiting on them.
God, see, man, this is what I'm talking about,
Oh,
man.
what's up, dude?
Dude, I waited too long. I've got these tax returns, and now the wheels I wanted are on back order. I can't get it anymore. See?
Bro, see, everybody got their tax money back. They're running out there buying wheels, buying suspension, building their cars.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have waited so long.
see,
You should have just got them right when you wanted them.
See, well, yeah, now I know that, but I
Yep.
mean, it's not going to do me any good now. I don't know what I'm going to do,
Well,
man.
you kind of messed up, man.
Well, I've never done this before, so, you know.
You're gonna wanna make sure you have a plan, and if you don't have a plan, check out our gallery and get a good idea. Make sure you know what you want your car to look like before you start modifying it so you don't end up with a clapped out PT Cruiser. You're gonna want to try, when it's not tax season, to buy smaller more inexpensive modifications, like I said, intake, exhaust, and then you're gonna wanna try to buy as soon as possible. That way your wheels or whatever you're ordering isn't getting back ordered with everyone else ordering at the same time. That way you're all set up. So once you finally receive that tax return and you follow all these steps, make sure you head over to fitmentindustries.com, and then you'll be able to ball out, get your wheels, your tires, or your suspension, or whatever you want this tax season. And then you'll show up to your first car show, second car show, whatever you're at, without a stock car and looking good. I'm Dakota from Fitment Industries. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.